Okay, can you hear my voice? Anyone? Can you hear my voice?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, good evening all.
Good evening.
Okay, how are you, Mbak Lestari, Mbak Vivi, and also Pak Hendry?
Hello, Miss Ulfa. I'm fine. How about you?
Okay, I'm fine too.
Okay.
Bu Vivi, how about you?
Fine, Miss. Thanks.
Okay, Pak Hendry.
A little bit.
Okay, seems busy Pak Hendry ya. Doing assignment and others, yeah. Okay, let's continue our lesson today. If yesterday we have what do we have? What did we have yesterday? Past tense, yeah, simple past tense.
Yeah, simple past tense.
Okay, and now we continue with simple past tense. Invisible there or already visible? Sudah terlihat apa belum?
No.
Not yet. Okay, wait. Okay. How about now? Is it visible?
Okay, I can see the material.
Okay. Wait a second, okay? Still processing on my laptop. Okay, let's continue with simple past tense. As we know that simple past tense is showing activity or something that happened in the past. Yeah, it's already happened. And now let's try to, this is the time signal or indicator of simple past tense. We have last night, we can say last night, last week, last month, and last year, and then 3 times ago. Yeah, this is ago at the end. Okay, at the end we have ago. Then we have 3 minutes ago, 3 hours ago, 3 days ago, 3 nights ago, 3 weeks ago, 3 months ago, 3 years ago. Yeah, this is the 2. Usually we have yesterday and we have last blah 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 blah, last night, last Tuesday, last Monday, and others. Yeah, it indicates simple past tense. And it it is, or the sentence use simple past tense. Okay, now number 1 is done for you. When did you speak to Peter last week? Yeah, I spoke to Peter last week. So it should be the speak becomes spoke. Yeah, I spoke to Peter last week. Okay. And how about number 2? When did they buy that car?
They buy it that car 2 years.
Okay, 2 years. They buy. What is the second form of buy? Buy is verb 1 and then about verb 2.
Both.
Okay, about that car. 2. We have 2 years. What is 2 years? When?
2 years ago.
Okay, 2 years ago. Okay, how about number 3? When did we clean the windows?
We cleaned the windows.
Okay, wait a moment, Bapak Ibu. I have to
Okay.
Okay, I'm so sorry, guys. Someone calling me, and I have to pick up that call because the call from the owner of Bavaria Institute, and it is very hard to reach her. Okay, now let's come to this exercise. Complete the conversation with the verb in the simple past. And A and B were done for you. Where did you go for your last summer holiday? We went to Egypt. Oh, really? Okay. Have you got some answer from this? Oh, it's already here, but Janet and also Mas Sabran. Welcome. Okay, yeah. Anyone have answer for number for A? What number? Three. For number 3.
Did you enjoy it?
Okay. Did you enjoy it? Okay. Wait, where is my cursor? Okay. Did you enjoy it? Nah, tempatnya di sini kah? Ini tidak terlihat, ketutup ini. It's okay here. And then how about number 4? Oh yes, we blah 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 blah. Number 4. Yes, we. If the question is, did you enjoy it? So the answer is yes, we.
Did.
Okay, yes, we did. Where is it? Oh, sebentar, salah tempat. Karena ketutup dengan fiturnya ini. Okay. Text should be here. Is it okay? Okay. And how about number 5? Paul?
Love it.
Okay. Loved. Bacanya jangan love it ya. Loved. The river Nile and I, blah, 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 blah. The pyramids and I.
Two.
Kedua dari thing.
Tank.
Oh, no. Thought.
Talk.
Okay. The pyramid and all the historical site.
Where?
E. Were or was?
Or.
Were. Okay, because site with S, so we
Yeah.
have, yeah, this is plural, yeah. Then how long?
Did you stay?
Okay, how long did
you
did you stay?
stay?
Okay. For 4 weeks, we blah 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 there for the whole of October.
We were.
Where?
Okay, we were there for the whole of October. How nice. So you,
Had.
okay. So you had a lot of time to travel around. Yes, we. If the question is had,
Had.
so the answer
Yes,
is
we had.
also.
Yes, we had. Well.
Okay. Wait. So you had a lot of time to travel around. Yes, we.
Yes, we had.
Okay. Well, quite a lot, but we only blah 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 blah. A few places
So,
from C.
So.
We have so. Okay, I'd like to go. I'd like to go again. Then number 13.
Were
Did-
you?
did you
Did you or were
You.
you?
Did
Okay.
Did you learn any
Oh, yeah, did you?
Okay. Did you learn any Egyptian Arabic?
Yeah.
I
I did.
I did. But
I did
all?
not. I did.
Okay.
Didn't.
I blah 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 the language for a few weeks before we blah 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 blah.
I was studied.
Hmm? I past tense. I studied
I studied
the language for a few weeks before we
before we gone.
One.
When?
when the verb to of go.
Hmm.
I blah 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 got Arabic language cassette in the local library.
I found.
Okay, I found.
I found.
Okay, and that blah 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 very helpful. And that
And that was.
okay,
very helpful.
and that was very helpful. Blah 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 to the local people.
Did you talk?
Did you?
Okay, did you talk to the local people?
Not
Not
really.
really.
I knew.
But
But I knew. No.
But I knew how to order food and drink in the cafes and restaurants. Well, that's good. Yes, it is. But I
Well,
Wanted.
okay.
Wanted.
I wanted to talk to people too. So I am still studying Arabic and I hope to go again next year. Well, best of luck. Okay, yeah. So, Bapak Ibu, you have learned about past tense, yeah, for the theory and also for the use, for the formula and others. So, actually, we have to, we have to apply in our daily life. Okay, this is some of the form from verb 1 to verb 2 and also verb 3. Yeah. Actually, not many. This is for the irregular verb, yeah, because sometimes sometimes regular and one word can be regular and irregular verb. Jadi ada kata tertentu yang masuk ke dalam kategori regular and irregular. This is some ya, nanti bisa dicari lagi. Tadi ada yang bertanya aplikasi apa? Biasanya cari aplikasinya itu kita browsing aja bisa kok, Bu. Tidak perlu aplikasi. Untuk yang irregular kan sudah sangat banyak bertebaran di internet ya, jadi tidak perlu aplikasi pun tidak apa-apa. Okay, now let's come to speaking part ya, using simple past tense. Share your experience in your life. Yeah, explain detail. What is your best experience in your life? Explain detail. Okay, use past tense. Okay, who want to be the first? It can be everything you have. Yeah, it can be the best experience in your life. It can be when you got your first boyfriend or girlfriend. It can be what is the first job you get, and it can be something else, yeah. Or a first time you go to or you went to some countries and others. Okay, Bu Wati.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, what kinds of best experience you have?
Masih bingung merangkai katanya.
Oke, dirangkai dulu ya. Poin-poinnya aja,
Saya
Bu.
konsep,
Mhm,
saya
oke.
konsep dulu ya.
Oke. It's 5 minutes okay for you? 5 menit cukup?
Cukup enggak ya?
Atau kebanyakan? Kebanyakan, Miss. Oke ya. Okay, you can use this guide, yeah, for the first time. What, yeah, what is your experience? And then the second one is when, and then the third one is where. If there is a place, yeah, information about place, and then the fourth one is how, yeah, how about the story, yeah. Dari 5 pertanyaan itu Anda akan bisa merangkai apa sih yang ingin saya ceritakan. Nah, misalnya, what my best experience is having baby, for example. Okay, and then the second question, when did you have baby? It was on February 2008, for example. Yeah, and then there's one where, yeah, I born my baby in a hospital, for example, a private hospital or anyone else, anywhere else, yeah. And then how the process. Nah, it will be full of paragraph while you have WH question and on age question, ya. Jadi ketika kita mau merangkai cerita atau apa, itu kita bisa menggunakan apa, bagaimana, apa mengapa, ya, apa mengapa, kenapa, kapan, di mana, dan sebagainya, itu sebagai acuan menjadi satu cerita, rangkaian cerita yang bagus. Nah, meskipun nggak bagus amat, tapi kita bisa berbicara dengan modal itu, begitu ya. Jadi biar nggak bingung, apa ya ininya ya, apa yang mau tak ceritakan. Nah, kita bisa memakai itu. Okay, whenever you are ready, just raise your hand or open your mic. and directly tell us about your best experience.
Saya coba, Miss.
Okay.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I will pray about my best experience in my life. Saya coba menjelaskan tentang pengalaman terbaik saya. I have an interesting experience of my life. Bener nggak, Miss?
My life. In my
My
life.
life, ya.
Okay.
I have an interesting experience of my life. I was invited to attend the Rakornas Pergunu in Pacet, Mojokerto, Jawa Timur.
Okay.
Jadi
Big
di antara
event,
yang
right?
lain saya terpilih. Di antara yang lain saya terpilih. Berarti gimana? Mau
I was
apa
chosen.
itu? I was chosen. Atau langsung aja, Ge. I was invited to attend the Pergunu National Coordination Meeting in Indonesia in Pacet, Mojokerto, East Java.
Okay.
Do you know? Bukan do you know, Ge. Kalau pasien berarti did you know? Do you know?
It's okay, Ibu. Bisa Ibu niatnya mau bertanya kepada kita sekarang atau Ibu menceritakan.
Ya.
Nah, kalau mau bertanya sekarang
Maksudnya,
berarti pakainya ya do you know?
do you know? Maksudnya, do you know what my feeling? Apakah kalian tahu bagaimana perasaan saya gitu tuh?
Okay. I don't know. You
Gimana
haven't
sih ngomongnya? Atau
you
nggak usah
haven't
pakai
tell
nanya
us
ya?
about it.
Yang membuat saya takjub gitu kan, yang membuat saya bangga. Gimana ngomongnya, Miss?
What makes me
What make me proud mungkin ya?
Yeah.
What make me proud? Because it was the first time saya naik pesawat terbang gitu, Miss. Apa tuh yang ngomong? It the first time for me that this was my first time on an airplane. Jadi itu kali pertama saya menggunakan naik pesawat terbang. I felt the first time I got on a plane, felt scared but happy. Aduh, gimana sih perasaan naik pesawat terbang itu bercampur aduk. Ada rasa takut itu scared ya, Miss ya?
Yeah.
Scared. Yeah, but happy. I was scared because of fear of the plane ripping. Saya merasa takut karena khawatir tiba-tiba pesawat terbangnya jatuh.
Oke.
Aduh, banyak sih yang ceritakan, sulit merangkai katanya. Kemudian, but I was happy too. But I was happy too because I can saw scenery on the sky mungkin ya.
Oke, scenery.
Saya bisa melihat pemandangan dari atas langit. It's enough mungkin, Miss, itu aja lah.
Itu aja.
Thank you, Miss. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Oke. In what year, Bu Wati, you have that experience?
Apa tuh?
In what year?
In what?
Berapa?
Apanya?
When did you go to or when did you join Mukernas? Mukernas. What's that?
Rakernas.
Yeah.
Rakernas itu beberapa
No,
bulan, 6 bulan belakangan lah.
in this year, in
11,
2023.
iya, iya.
Okay, other you can ask Buwati about her experience. Or what do you think of a first time using airplane? Or anyone having the same experience with Buwati?
Ya, saya mau coba Miss Ova.
Yeah.
Oke, my family and I went to Bali 7 years ago.
Okay.
And then that was very interesting. The food price were still very cheap. The environment was still natural, but I don't know what the situation was like now. We were very happy with the moment, but after my father died 2 years ago, we never went on holiday again. It was
Yes.
my most beautiful experience. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mbak Lestari. It has been 7 years, right? Okay, so you have holiday, you had holiday 7 years ago,
Yeah,
and it was in Bali.
yeah,
And since then, you never go traveling again.
yeah, never.
So you have to go now.
Yeah,
Oke, butuh healing ya, Bu Lestari ya.
yeah, that's right.
Oke, if Buwati having the experience about scared, happy, and others, yeah, between scared and happy, but because it's it was the first time flying using airplane, yeah, so it was the best experience, but different to Buwati, Mbak Lestari having the different experience. She went to Bali 7 years ago, yeah, with family, and since then, Mbak Lestari never go anywhere again. Okay, yeah, and how about Bu Vivi? Bu Vivi, are you here? Hello? Or other? Mbak Janet? Or Pak Hendri?
Yes, this is my experience. When I wanted to continue studies together, together me and my wife with a
Okay.
scholarship.
Okay.
Last year's in 2022, I tried applying for a scholarship. I attempted 2 times. The first time I didn't succeed because I lacked confidence.
Okay.
However, the second time was a success because I was well prepared and learned from my first experience. Alhamdulillah, my wife and I were able to continue our study together with our children.
Okay. That's the best experience, yeah. How many times you applied the scholarship, Pak Henry?
2
Twice.
times.
Oh,
Right.
2 kali mencoba.
Yes.
Okay, and then the second time, you pass the scholarship or you got scholarship, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay. It would be very nice since you got scholarship with your partner, yeah, with your wife, and finally you come here in Surabaya, Pak Henry, ya, if I'm
Yes, in
mistaken.
Surabaya.
In Surabaya together with family, yeah. Okay, that's very nice experience. And how about the others? Mas Zabran, are you here? Hello, Mas Zabran, Mbak Janet, Ibu Vivi, are you here?
Hello,
Okay.
I'm try
Okay,
to
let's go.
tell about my experience in last September in English. Apa ya, Bang?
September, last September.
September, yes.
Yep.
In last September, I was excited when I went to Kupang until 2 hours ago.
On September, last September.
Last, yes. In last in Kupang, I met my mom family, played with my ponaan in English apa ya?
Cousin.
Cousin, yes. Played with my cousin, met my friends, and then I was very happy.
Cousin is sepupu ya. Kalau ponakan itu niece and nephew. Sorry, nephew.
Niece
and nephew, ya. Nephew for the boy and niece for the girl. Well, cousin, sepupu, it can be girl or boys.
Girl and boys.
Ya, yeah. Both. Kalau untuk sepupu, dua-duanya. Okay.
Next. Okay,
yeah, continue.
I met my friend, and then the best experience, I was very happy because my boyfriend come to my house to meet me until 2 years ago.
Yeah.
I think that's all about my holiday experience in last September. Thank you for attention.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. The best part is my boyfriend visited me. Oh my God.
Yes,
That's very...
until 2 hours.
It made you happy, right?
Yes. And so I was very happy. Yes, I was very happy.
So you are from Ende and your boyfriend from Kupang?
Yes.
Okay.
We are LDR. LDR in English, well.
LDR is from English, long distance relationship.
Ya itu sudah, Miss.
Okay, ya. L-nya long, D-nya distance, R-nya relationship. Relationship. Okay. LDR, long distance relationship. It is English form ya. Okay, and then about the other. Yang lainnya ini kemana ini? Mas Jabran. Bu Vivi biasanya aktif ini kemana ini Bu Vivi ini? Oke ya, karena tidak nyambung, tidak nyaut, apa bahasa Jawanya nyaut gitu ya. So let's come to the next one. Okay ya, if you want to use simple past tense, use in your daily life ya. Try to make sentences or try to make paragraph ya, atau kalau nggak nulis ya ngomong saja ya, menceritakan apa yang telah terjadi barusan. Nah, for example, someone called me at the moment when I teaching for the, what is this? Okay. This is what the experience about I have an interesting experience in my life. Namely, I was invited to attend the Pergunu National Coordination Meeting in Indonesia in Pacet, Mojokerto, East Java. Okay, what made me happy was that this was my first time on airplane. My first feeling on a cutting plane were scared but happy too. Scared because I was worried that the plane would suddenly crash. Okay, but I was also happy because I can see the clouds directly from above the sky. Okay, ada beberapa yang perlu dikoreksi ya Bu. If you want to make this paragraph fix, if you want to express that something you have done in the past, so use simple past tense, yeah, because all of the activities have been done before, yeah. Okay, just make an exercise, a little bit exercise at home, yeah. Whenever you did something, just tell yourself, ngomong dengan dirinya sendiri saja, ya. Misalnya kok nggak ada teman yang diajak ngobrol bahasa Inggris, it's okay, just talk to yourself. For example, someone called me, someone called me, and she asked me how my condition is and how my family and how my blah 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 blah. Nah, ngomong ke dirinya sendiri menggunakan simple past tense. Although it happened 1 minute ago, it's already past. Sudah terjadi. Nah, meskipun hanya 1 menit yang lalu. It means that we can tell ourselves everything about we did, ya, everything we did, apa yang telah kita lakukan sebelum kita menceritakan. Miss, saya maunya cerita campur-campur between simple past tense and simple present tense. Okay, it's okay, ya, as long as the context is right. If you want to say, someone called me 5 minutes ago. Do you know who called me? Nah, ya jadi bisa kalau mau interaksi juga bukan did you know tapi do you know? Karena tanyanya sekarang. Nah, baru dijawab lagi. She is my boss. Nah, seperti itu ya. Jadi bla 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 nanti di ini sendiri nanti sedikit-sedikit nanti lama-lama terbiasa. Ya, jadi nggak perlu malu mau praktis dengan siapapun kalau nggak ada diajak praktis, ya sudah, practice it yourself. You will improve it a lot. You will improve a lot ya. Jadi kalau ngomong sendiri, kalau ngomong ini pasti akan terlihat kok hasil bedanya. What makes you different is you will be more confident than before. Okay. As Pak Hendry's experience at the first time, he felt not confident, yeah, because he has experience about how to apply or how to answer interview, for example, yeah. But at the second time, he prepared well about all of the tests, and he and his wife passed or got the scholarship. Nah, sama juga kita ketika when we want to improve our English, just use it. Okay, just practice it. Okay, let's come to this one. Okay, bagaimana bedanya dengan kalau go to, okay, then for a blah 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 and blah 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 in. I don't go to work on Saturdays. We went to the cinema last night, and would you like to go for a walk? I often go for a swim before work, and they go sailing at the weekends. We went skiing last winter. Oke, kalau ada go to berarti ke tempat ya, to place, yang dituju adalah place. I go to England. I go to name of town or town, ya. I go to cinema. While go for it can be for a walk, a meal, a run, a swim, a drink, a game of tennis, and others. While go plus ing, go climbing, skiing, go swimming, go fishing, go sailing, go walking, go riding, go bird watching. Nah, this is biasanya diikuti dengan sport. Biasanya. Tapi ada juga yang bilangnya go shopping. Oke, but we don't use go playing. Kita tidak bisa menggunakan ini ya. We went playing tennis. Nah, tidak bisa seperti itu. Oke, kita lanjut lagi. Ini hanya ini saja kok. Hanya we have to know aja. Oke, kita lihat di sini complete the sentences to using ini ya. I went to the cinema last night. I usually go for a run in the morning, and then my father often goes. My father often goes. Apa ini gambarnya?
Fishing.
Fishing. Ini.
Oke, fishing.
Fishing at the weekend.
Fishing at the weekends. Okay. Ini I went to the cinema last night. I usually go for a run in the morning. My father often goes fishing at the weekend. Nah, kita lihat lagi biar apa namanya pemantapan gitu ya. Oke, kalau ada kata seperti ini, bagaimana cara melengkapinya? We went.
When berkuda itu apa ya? Kuda.
We went.
Reading horse this morning.
Reading a
Okay.
horse.
Riding
A horse.
horse this morning.
Oh,
We went riding this morning. It's okay. We went riding a horse this morning. Okay. Number 5.
Emma went to Paris.
Went to Paris last week. Okay, then how about number 6? I'd like to go.
To go for swimming.
Swimming.
For?
For swimming.
No. Kalau go, swimming. Kalau
Go to swim. Go to swim.
go for a swim. Nah,
Oh,
Iya.
bedanya dengan tadi ya. Kalau go swimming, tapi kalau to go for a swim.
Oh, to go.
Oh iya. I'd like to go for a swim this afternoon.
Okay, then how about number 7?
Go for.
Do you go blah 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 blah?
Do you go? Do you go skating? Skateboard?
No.
Skate. Do you go skating boot?
Go
This is
to
sky.
play sky.
Oke, go berarti go pakai ing.
Go to.
Sport.
Do you go?
Go sky.
Okay, ya. So we went riding this morning. Then Emma went to, go, when, ya, and won biasanya diikuti dengan to. Emma went to Paris last week. I'd like to go. Wah, tadi. I'd like to go for a swim this afternoon. And do you go skiing in the winter? Ya. Jadi kalau untuk sport biasanya after go diikuti dengan ing. Kalau yang for diikuti dengan verb infinitif lagi, ya. Kalau to juga diikuti dengan nama tempat. Tadi ada nama tempat, kemudian nama orang. Nah, seperti itu. Tuh, kok nama orang? Sorry. Nama tempat, and then diikuti dengan nama tempat England or the cinema. This is the example.
Iya. For a wall, for a meal, for a swim.
Jadi
For a
kembali
drink.
lagi ke verb 1, tidak ada ing-nya. Kalau go, nah setelah go diakhiri dengan ing. Go climbing, go skiing, go swimming. Nah, seperti itu ya. Oke, let's move. Oke, ada apa lagi ya di sini ya? Nah, kita lihat. As we have this one. Preposition. Nah, karena tadi sekedar ini saja ya. Ini juga preposition juga sebentar kok ini nanti. Okay, for the preposition, I saw her at the bus stop. Can I meet at the cinema? Ya. Oke, di sini ada at, ada on, ada in as preposition of place. Merupakan kata depan dari tempat. Kata depan dari tempat berarti at the bus stop. Ya, bukan busnya saja tapi bus stop. Dan can I meet you at the cinema? Ya, at a place berarti at the bus stop or at cinema. Your books are on the table. On the table. The painting looks nice on the wall. Oke, sama-sama menggunakan all tetapi tempatnya berbeda ya. Kalau on the table itu di atasnya seperti ini. Kalau on the wall, nah, jangan membayangkan on the wall berarti di atasnya itu ya, Miss ya. Bukan, tapi yang nempel di tembok itu adalah on the wall. The picture on the wall. Nah, ada gambar-gambar di tembok. Nah, seperti itu. Then for in, Philip's in the kitchen and your bags in the car. In a place means inside. The place is not line or surface. It has walls or sides. Nah, jadi kalau in the kitchen berarti kita di dalamnya. Kalau in the garden berarti di begini ya. Jadi bukan gardennya dikotain bukan ya. Tapi kalau dalam ruangan yang 3D ya berarti kita ada di tengah, di dalamnya. Nah, in the living room berarti kita ada di dalamnya. Tapi kalau in the garden, in the park, in the town itu berarti ada di situ ya. Bukan berarti parknya dikotain begitu, tidak ya. Berarti bisa saya ada di tengah-tengahnya garden nih, berarti can I say I'm in the garden right now? Ya bisa deh. And we use in with names of towns and country. In Britain, in Paris, in Indonesia. Yeah. Okay. We say in a car, but we cannot say in a bus, but on the bus or on a bus ya, on a train. Jadi penggunaannya biasanya berbeda. Mobil, bis dengan kereta. In a car, on the bus, on a bus, or on a train. Jadi ini kebiasaan yang dipakai gitu ya, biar tidak keliru. Jadi bukan on the car ya, mem, kan sama-sama bentuknya sama, bus sama car. Kenapa kok on satunya in? Nah, ini kebiasaan orang penutur aslinya mengatakan seperti itu. Jadi kita tidak bisa bilang kan harusnya sama-sama 3D-nya nih, harusnya kan juga sama-sama in semua. Nah, kan ada di dalamnya. Nah, tapi kok bis di atas berarti di atas langitnya, bukan? Tetapi ya ketika kita naik bis itu kita bilang on the bus, on the bus. Jadi kita nggak bisa bilang I'm in the bus right now. No, on the bus. But also the same with on a train. sama-sama dipakai gitu ya. Nah, jadi
Terus,
beda. Ini kalau hal-hal semacam ini itu biasanya pembiasaan aja ketika kita membaca, ketika kita membaca teks atau apa, nah nanti akan ketemu gitu. Oh ternyata ini adalah on. Ternyata ya kalau kenapa kok dikatakan on the wall, padahal kan nggak akan ada di atasnya tembok ya, pasti kan nempel di tembok. Nah itu juga disebut dengan all. Jadi kalau kita ada meja ya, ada meja, this is on ya, this is book, this is pen, this is on. Kalau the wall-nya kan berdiri. This is also on. Nah, kenapa kok nggak ini ya? Nah, jadinya agak harus membiasakan nih antara penggunaan on dengan in dengan at ya. Oke, karena ketika ada on the table, bayangan kita kan oke, meja datar di atasnya barangnya. While we say on the wall, loh gimana kok on the wall begitu ya? Karena kita sudah mengenerate dari on the table. Nah, maka sebaiknya kita banyak membaca, jadi kita akan tahu mana yang on, mana yang in. Karena in pun harusnya kan ada di tengah, di dalam ya, sesuatu yang ada kotaknya atau ada ruangnya, baru dikatakan in. Akan tetapi in the garden juga sama. Kenapa kok nggak on the garden aja, Miss? Nah, kan kita di atasnya. Nah, tapi orang sana ya penutur aslinya menggunakan in. Ya sudah kita ikutin saja. Because language is arbitrariness ya. Ya suka-suka yang punya bahasa begitu ya. We cannot complain about it. Okay. Next, we have this one. Oke, untuk memantapkan kita seberapa paham dengan penggunaan at, on, and in. Number 1 and 2 is done for you. Do you live in Manchester? He was at the bus stop for half an hour. Dia berada di bus stop itu? Halte ya. Dia ada di halte sudah 1,5 jam. Dan all the plates bla bla bla, the cupboard. Oke, coba. Tadi mau dibaca dulu kira-kira yang mana jawabannya begitu, silahkan. Okay, have you finished?
Iya, Bang.
Sudahkah? Okay.
Okay.
If you have finished this one, let's try to answer.
On.
Please, blah 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 blah. Cupboard.
In the cupboard.
On the cupboard.
Okay. What is plates?
Piring.
Piring. Cupboard.
Lemari.
Lemari.
In.
Kira-kira di atasnya apa di dalamnya?
Di dalam.
In.
Okay. So it should be in. Are the plates in the cupboard? Okay. Then number 4. Look at the example, blah, 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 the board.
On the
On
board.
the board.
Mhm. On the
Look
board
at the
or
example on the board.
Oke, kita menggunakan 3 tadi ya. In, on, at.
At.
Oke, yang benar adalah
In.
no. Kalau in kan tadi di dalam ya. Oke, look at the sample.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, how about number 5? I met my girlfriend
As
At
a
the
party. I met my girlfriend. Party.
I met
In a
my
party.
Hmm,
At or in.
at
At
or
a party.
I met my girlfriend blah 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 party.
In.
Here.
5
In the party.
In the party.
or at, on, or in, which one? Which one? At, on, or in?
In. Because a party, a place.
Okay, I met my girlfriend. Mana ibu-ibu, bapak-bapak, at, in, or in?
In the
At a party.
Okay, it should be at a party. Okay, then number 6. Kathy is not here. She is
she is in work.
no.
She is in work.
In,
In,
on, or at.
I think in.
Kathy is not here. She is
At.
at work. Nah,
At work.
yes, at work at the moment.
Double ya.
Ya, at the moment kan keterangan ininya Bu.
Waktu.
Ya. Kalau at work kan sedang bekerja aja. Tempat kerja. Okay, then how about number 7? Are my books
On.
that
On.
on the south.
On that self.
kalau self berarti rak ya.
Ya.
Oh, nah kalau rak buku kira-kira seperti di belakang saya ini ya.
Ya.
Nah, ada banyak artinya double self. Nah, itu kira-kira
On.
atau in.
On, I think on. Sama dengan gambar di atas tembok itu. Are my books on that shelf?
Oke, ya. Are my books on that shelf? Okay, then number 8. My toothbrush is not blah 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 the bathroom. Where is it?
In.
In the bathroom.
In the
In
bathroom.
the bathroom.
The bathroom. Then number 9. She usually sits
On.
on. Ya pasti ya, sit on biasanya gitu ya.
On the floor.
Kalau sit in itu sit in ada miss ada ya. Kalau sit in itu biasanya someone who want to join our class but he or she actually doesn't belongs to that class. Nah, jadi cuman take part aja, ikut intip aja ya, ikut nimbrung di kelasnya. Sit in. And here is sit on the floor. Okay, then now number 10. Is your daughter happy?
At.
Number 10.
Is your doctor happy?
Is your daughter happy?
At school.
At school, in school, or on school? Kalau on
In.
nggak mungkin deh. Nah, gitu ya. Kayaknya kalau on nggak deh. Nah, oke, berarti on nggak usah dipakai. Pilihannya tinggal 2 in atau at.
In kayaknya, Miss.
Oke, number 10.
Is your daughter happy in school?
Mhm. Is
At
at.
school.
Okay, we have at.
At
Yeah. Then how about number 11? We had breakfast, blah, 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 blah.
in
Garden.
the garden.
In the garden. We had breakfast in the garden.
Okay, and how about 12? There are too many cars.
There are
Blah,
too
blah,
many cars.
On the road.
On the
on. Oke ya. Preposisi itu kelihatannya mudah tapi tidak mudah sebenarnya ya, karena bagaimana harus mengetahui ini lokasinya seperti ini gitu ya. Terus kebiasaan orang native-nya pakainya di mana, nah seperti itu. And so it also I having difficulties too in Indonesia. Pada
Okay.
it's also the
I
same ya.
want Yes, I want to ask
Yeah.
with two condition.
Mhm.
Like the question is, where are you doing? Where are you now?
Where are you now? Okay.
The friend, the position is in the hospital because he visited the friends. So him answer, I
Ya, Pak.
am at I in hospital. Is correct, Miss?
Okay. Where are you now? I am in
Hospital.
hospital.
And the two situation, the friends asked him, where are you work? I work
Where do
at
you work?
hospital or in hospital.
Okay. I am working or I works. Boleh. I work boleh. I am working boleh. Work in hospital.
Same in atau different the first situation in?
No.
Same in or different? Same.
We use same in. Yeah.
Okay.
Where are you now? I'm in hospital. Ya. Where do you work? I work in hospital. Ya. Ini kan cuman menerangkan tempat aja kan Pak In, bukan menerangkan kalau yang datang itu adalah pasien berarti dia bukan in hospital tapi on hospital, ya bukan ya, karena itu adalah keterangan tempatnya di dalam. Jadi kita di dalam rumah juga in the house gitu ya. Jadi bukan on the house. Kalau takutnya kalau pas kita di di rooftop it's okay, bisa on the rooftop, nah seperti itu. Tapi ketika kita when your friend asks you where are you now, I'm in hospital. Yeah, I'm visiting my friend. He is hospitalized. Where do you work? I work in hospital. Using the same in.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Okay. Anyone else? Ada yang mau tanya lagi? Okay, if no questions, so let's move to this one. Okay, and add on in as preposition of time. Kalau tadi play, sekarang time. They finish school at 4 o'clock. Then the children usually have a story at bedtime. Okay, at here at a point of in time. Yeah, at a point in time. At 1 o'clock, at 5:30, at midnight, yeah. Then at lunchtime, at dinner time, at the end of the lesson. And we here having the on. I saw her on Monday. My birthday is on 4th September. Then on indicate a day or date. Then on also the name of day, ya, like on Tuesday, on Thursday, on Monday, on bla bla bla. Nama hari, nama bulan, ya, nama bulan, nama hari dan juga tanggal itu menggunakan on di depannya. Tapi kalau nama bulan ada di in. Oke. Berarti untuk penggunaan at when it is used as preposition of time, it is at is to point the time. At 1 o'clock, at 2 o'clock, at 3 o'clock, at 4 o'clock, ya, at 5:30. Nah, menunjukkan pointing the time-nya. Tapi kalau on digunakan untuk menyebutkan nama hari atau tanggal. On Tuesday, on Monday, on Wednesday, on Friday, on Sunday, and others. Then on 1st April, on 4th June, on 25th September. Nah, on the first day of spring. Nah, ini bisa menggunakan on. Ketika menggunakan in digunakan untuk mengetahui preposition of time, ya, a period of time. Digunakan untuk melihat periode waktunya. Kita lihat ada in the morning. Kita bisa nggak sih Miss pakai on the morning? Tidak biasa begitu ya. Biasa dipakai in the morning. And then in the afternoon, in evening, ya. Dan name of month, in January, in February, ya. Then in the summer, in the winter, and it also using a year, ya. In 1922, in 1992, in 2020, 2020, or in 2023, pakai in. Kita lihat notes on Wednesday, in the afternoon, on Wednesday afternoon. Nah, ketika di sini ada 2 Wednesday afternoon, maka yang kita ini kan adalah Wednesday-nya, on Wednesday afternoon, bukan in Wednesday afternoon. Oke. Kemudian ketika in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Tetapi kenapa kita bilangnya at night? Nah, this is ya, bahasa itu seperti ini. Pasti ada pengecualian yang tidak bisa dinalar begitu ya. Kenapa bilangnya kok at night? Kenapa kok enggak in the night begitu ya? Okay, then on use for like on Christmas Eve, on Independence Day, on Easter Sunday, but at Christmas, at New Year. Nah, kenapa kok nggak pakai on saja sih on Christmas ya? Tidak, tapi pakainya at. Nah, this is a language. Sekali lagi, this is a language. We have to, when we learn about another or other language, so we have to know the culture there. Nah, itulah ya culture yang harus kita tahu. Kenapa kok at night? Kenapa kok nggak in the night? Ya. Oke. Nah, itu sudah arbitrary ya, udah ya sesuka-suka yang punya bahasa begitu ya. Jadi kita tidak tahu kalau dulu ditanya waktu sekolah, Pak itu kok bisa gitu? Ya sudah dari sononya begitu ya. Nah, this is what makes us difficult in learning language is because language is arbitrary, sesuka hati, the community and also the use of language is depend on the who created the language. Oke, coba kita cari ininya ya. College starts at 9 o'clock in the morning. I usually go swimming on Tuesday. I got up blah 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 7 o'clock this morning.
At 7 o'clock this morning.
Oke, kalau apa tadi jawabannya? I got up
At 7 o'clock this morning.
Oke, kalau nama ini ya tadi ya berarti pakainya
At.
at. Okay, look at number 4.
Jim Cameron on Saturday afternoon.
Jim came round. Kalau nama hari berarti kita memakai
On.
Then number 5. The children
At
too many presents.
At
Okay,
Christmas.
at Christmas. We usually take our holiday
on September.
on September. They don't go out very often
In the evening.
In the evening.
in the evening.
In the evening.
She was born in Australia.
On.
No, year.
Oh, in. I'm sorry.
Okay. I always go and see her
On birthday.
on her birthday. She phoned up, blah, 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 the beginning of the match on TV.
In the beginning.
Of? Mhm.
In the.
No, in the beginning or at the beginning of the match on TV. Then her number 11. They usually come and stay with us.
In the summer. In the summer holiday.
In the summer.
Okay, in the summer holiday. 12. We moved here
On.
on 20 Oktober. Oke, ya. Kalau untuk mengetahui keterangan waktu juga biasanya tempat ya, kalau tempat untuk alamat itu ya biasanya sangat beda sekali untuk alamat. We can say I live in Malang, ya. While ini yang paling besar ya. Jadi I live in Malang. Kemudian ketika kita mau mengatakan lebih lengkap lagi ya alamatnya, I live on Jalan Surabaya, Malang. Nah, ketika kita mau komplit lagi ya sama I live at Jalan Surabaya number 565 Malang. Oke. Jadi ketika kita menyatakan tempat kita ya, I live in Malang. Pakai in saja boleh. Tetapi kita sudah agak lengkap gitu ya. I live on Jalan Surabaya, Malang. While it is complete address, we can say I live at Jalan Surabaya number 65 Malang. Untuk menyatakan tempat kita saja, we have different use of in, on, and at. Nah, begitu ya. Pokoknya yang pasti kalau tahun, berarti kalau tahun in. Kalau bulan, on. Kalau hari apa tadi? Kalau hari?
On.
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 Kalau jam?
At.
At. Nah, seperti itu ya. Jadi kalau kita yang time tadi ya, at itu untuk yang jam, kemudian on itu untuk yang hari and date ya, hari dan tanggal, untuk yang in. Nah, ini yang lebih simple ketika kita melihat di waktunya ya, ada jam berarti pakai at, on berarti hari dan tanggal, in berarti tahun. Nah, kalau ada tahun berarti pakainya in begitu ya. Kalau yang tempat seperti ini in, on, and at kita bisa melihat lagi dan membaca lagi ya. Oke. Let's continue. Sudah habis sebenarnya. Nah, Ternyata materinya sudah habis ya. Oke. We have preposition and also we have past tense in the first time and continue to the preposition. Do you want to share something or do you want to ask something? You can feel free to ask and also feel free to share. Perhaps you have a different opinion with me about preposition, something else we can discuss here. Hello.
Yeah, Miss Ulfa.
Okay, you want to share something, please?
No.
Okay, then how about Pak Indri seems want to say something.
Miss, maybe I little confused with the correlate about the simple past tense continuous if the random question.
Simple past tense and
Past tense
past tense or present?
Present. Yes. This stress the class we learned about the past tense serve, past tense continuous serve. So if the completed about the all simple past present tenses, tenses, I still confused to the solve the problem about the question.
Okay ya. The difference between simple present ya Pak ya, simple present,
Yes.
present continuous. Okay, progressive ya. Simple present tense is used to ada dua ya. The use penggunaannya ada dua. Yang pertama adalah to show habitual action ya, to show our habit, kebiasaan yang kita lakukan. For example, I eat now. Sekarang saya makan. Yesterday I ate ya. Nah, kemarin makan, sekarang makan, besok juga akan makan, seterusnya juga akan makan. This is kebiasaan. Oke. Kemudian yang kedua adalah general truth, kebenaran umum. Contohnya apa ya? Boy is handsome. Ya, boy is handsome. Lady or girl is beautiful. Jadi kebenaran yang umum-umum itu kita menggunakan simple present tense. Terus Miss, bedanya dengan kalau yang continuous tadi apa? Kalau yang continuous itu adalah sedang terjadi. If we want to show saya sekarang ya, at the moment of speaking. Ketika kita lagi ngomong berarti kita bisa pakai present continuous atau present progressive. Sedang berproses. Contohnya, I am talking about simple present tense and present progressive. Saat ini, right now. Ya, berarti saat kita ngomong. Ya. Akan tetapi simple progresif atau simple continuous juga bisa digunakan untuk menunjukkan bahwa sesuatu itu adalah sedang berproses. Contohnya, I am writing the book this semester. Saya sedang menulis buku semester ini. Oke. Wait, saya coba cari screen gitu ya biar bisa mencoret-coret. Wait. Okay. I eat 3 times a day. Biasa kan Pak ya? I eat 3 times a day. Kemarin juga, sekarang iya, besok juga iya. Kebiasaan saya adalah makan 3 kali sehari. Oke. Kemudian kita bisa bilang the world is round. Bumi itu bulat. Nah, ini adalah kebenaran umum. Atau kalau mau kebenaran umum lagi ya, boy is handsome. Kan nggak ada orang bilang cowok itu cantik. Ya. Handsome adalah boy. But boy is handsome. Girl is beautiful. Oke. Kemudian kita bedakan dengan I am eating apple right now. Nah, this is a present continuous. Yang ini adalah present continuous. Kalau yang atas ini adalah simple present tense. I eat 3 times a day. Saya makan 3 kali sehari. Dengan I am eating apple right now. Nah, ketika kita lihat I am eating apple right now, saya sedang makan apel sekarang. Berarti ketika saya ngomong, ini saya pegang apel dan Anda melihat saya makan apel. Kalau yang I eat 3 times a day, apakah saat ini Anda terlihat makan? Tidak, tetapi itu adalah kebiasaan saya makan sehari 3 kali. Oke. Kalau Pak Hendri, kasusnya gimana Pak? Bingungnya ketika sudah menjawab pertanyaan gitu ya Pak ya?
Yes, the question about the kasus about the tense.
Ya, biasanya kita lebih waktu kita mengerjakan dengan soal grammar itu sebaiknya kita bisa berimajinasi when the situation happen. Kapan sih situasinya itu terjadi begitu. Karena memang ada 16 tenses begitu ya di dalam bahasa Inggris. Nah, ketika kita menjawab itu, kita harus bisa membayangkan itu terjadinya kapan. Oh, kalau dia bilang I eat 3 times a day, berarti dia kebiasaannya makan 3 kali sehari. Nah, ketika dia bilang I am eating apple right now, berarti sedang terjadi. Atau misalnya tidak sedang terjadi, Miss, tetapi I am writing a book this semester. Okay, I am writing a book this semester. It doesn't mean that when you see me, ketika Anda melihat saya sedang jedu gitu ya, sedang I'm focused on writing my book. No, tetapi itu sedang berproses. Prosesnya adalah 1 semester. Ketika saya bilang saya mau menulis buku 1 semester ini harus selesai, bisa jadi di awal semester saya menulis buku dan harus berakhir di akhir semester. Saat ini saya sedang berada di tengah-tengah misalnya. Tetapi orang lain tidak sedang melihat saya menulis buku, but this is in a progress, in a process. Ini juga disebut dengan simple continuous. Kalau yang ini disebut dengan simple present. Fungsinya adalah yang ini showing general truth, kebenaran umum ya, atau general fact. And the second one is showing habitual action. Habitual action menyatakan kebiasaan yang dilakukan. Oh, Miss, saya kalau keramas 2 hari sekali. Nah, I wash my hair. I wash my hair. Ya, saya keramas 2 hari sekali. Ya, 1 in 2 days. Ya, or twice in a week misalnya, 2 kali dalam seminggu. Nah, beda dengan ketika kita bilang I am washing my hair. I am washing my hair berarti Anda sedang berada di kamar mandi, sedang keramas. Ya. Sama dengan yang tadi, I eat 3 times a day and I am eating apple right now. Yang ini sedang terjadi berarti ketika Anda melihatnya, itu orang itu atau kita sedang melakukan hal tersebut. Oke, jelaskah Pak Henry?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, this is showing activity in a progress. And dikerjakan kapan? Now, right now. Nah, biasanya Pak, kalau yang ini kata keterangannya adalah kalau yang simple present ya, keterangannya itu adalah today. Tapi nanti today juga bisa dipakai di tenses lain juga gitu ya. Jadi ada today atau everyday ya. Everyday ada usually, ada usually frekuensi penggunaannya ya. Ada usually, ada often, ada. Nah, frekuensi itu digunakan dalam simple present tense. Nah, nanti mengidentifikasinya kalau yang sini adalah ada kata now, ada right now, bisa this ya, this year, this month itu bisa. Tetapi di case yang lain this itu juga bisa dipakai di progresif yang lain ya, bisa past progresif atau future progresif juga menggunakan itu gitu ya. Atau yang perfect juga ada yang menggunakan this juga. Jadi tetapi biasanya kalau di soal itu yang present continuous atau present progressive itu ada now atau right now-nya. Seperti itu ya Pak Hendri ya. Atau yang lain mungkin menanyakan terkait 2 tenses ini. Hello all.
Sudah cukup jelas, Miss Ulfa.
Oke, sudah jelas ya. Oke, atau mau ada yang bertanya tentang hal yang lain lagi? Monggo silahkan. Feel free aja ya, feel free aja. Okay, if there is no more question, could you mind to open your camera? I'll take a picture of you. We will take picture together. Nah, Bu Lestari kenapa terbalik?
Maaf.
Oke. Kalau Mas Zabran di sekolah sudah sampai apa ininya pelajaran bahasa Inggrisnya? Mas Zabran nggak bisa mic-nya atau nggak dengar saya? I wonder he cannot hear me. Okay, Bu Lestari, it's okay. Just on your camera.
Ya, I'm
Yeah.
sorry, Miss Ulfa.
It's okay. Di ini aja Bu, di apa namanya? HP-nya dibalik. Tadi kebalik HP-nya itu.
Oke.
Belum nyala Bu kameranya Bu.
Ini saya setting dari laptop, jadi saya bingung settingnya, nggak apa-apa ya kok.
Nggak apa-apa. It's
Besok
okay.
saya hidupin kameranya. Ini masih saya setting, bingung saya.
It's okay Bu. Oke ya, yang lainnya bisa ini. Di on kan aja kameranya Bu, nggak apa-apa Bu. Oke. Tuh kan saya sama Bu Lestari jadi ini kayak ada di kaca. Oke, 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you. Thank you all for coming.
Kak.
This is the last day of this week, yeah, the 11th meeting. Then we will see you again on Monday, yeah, on Monday. Okay, guys, see you.
Happy weekend.
You.
Bye-bye. Semoga cepat
Bye-bye.
sembuh juga, Miss.
Yeah.